Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video to show the difference of the kind of electrical noise that the servos do when they hold position at their torque. And I have it here for the setup. I have a converter from 110 volts to 220 volts. Goes to the line strip from eracing-lab, and you can see I have an actuator here, and actually through the little windows there I can reach the universal link. It moves the motor directly, so I can apply some torque on it instead of having vertically and apply force load on it. So I can apply, I have it here set on the DN2, and you can see here the percent of torque applied when I rotate this link, the motor axle. So I can put negative or positive torque. So you can hear a little bit of noise when I apply the torque there directly. So this is because it's holding the position, so the coils of the motor trying to apply the force to keep that position. Right now it's on park position here. That's actual noise. So it's not much noise talking about. Okay. Now, if you want to see how this will sound on 110 volts, you can just unplug it and I'll plug it again. 110 volts. So let me change here DN2. Okay. So you hear something? It's more quiet. Even if I apply more torque. There's explanation for that because the lower voltage actually helps the switching of the servo drive. It won't give the max RPM for the motor, but it will make the switching less audible. And that's why on my platform, for example, I run it on 110 volts, and I cannot hear the motors holding the load. I'll have to keep checking to make sure everything is still powered on. But anyway, so yeah, 110 volts should be really quiet. I wouldn't recommend using step down if you have already 220 volts, but could be a possibility. I mean, you're gonna lose a little RPM, the max RPM, which doesn't really matter because we try to keep this from running full RPM. You don't want it to run all the 3000 RPM, and this will go in less than a second, fully extend. It makes you jump out of your seat. That we'll try to eliminate those bugs. So yeah, a little more of this. It's quiet. So I'll put it back to 220. See the reference? Me too. Okay. Alright, so this is 220 again. It sounds a bit louder. It sounds like it's bad, but it's not. It's just how the coils activate to keep the position. Anyway, thanks for watching.